I punch my sika there, and then, okay na, out na, there is no guide, anything. Ganito lang talaga. Oh.
Kukuda.
Renan, so, ganyan lang, parang kami, walang gate. Ganito ang Japan, napaka-honest, very honest. Then dito yung ano nila, tikiting nila, ang cute, diba? Oh, look at that, walang gate, walang guide, or anything. Oh. Pwede kang magpunta dito na hindi ka magpa-punch ng ano, ng sika whatever, no? If you are a liar, no? Dito sa probinsya, everyone. No? Here in Japan, the people here are so very honest. Andiyan na si Daddy, iniwanan na ako. No? And parang ako lang ang pinaka-sexy sa akin. Iyo, Johnny daw. Mahihira si Daddy. Hala ka. Okay. Oh, nandito yung station nila. Ohiradai Station. So, I'm here at Ohiradai Station here in Hakone. So, let's go. And talaga nakakatuwa yung station nila, everyone, dahil I just passed my sika and with no gate, anything. So, you can escape if you like. But, you know, Japan is so very honest people. So, yeah, it's here in Hakone. It takes 2 to 3 hours from Tokyo. Yeah, this is my day. So, let's go and let's enjoy our summer vacations. So, look at that. So, where man tadong? Oh, asa man ta? This is the stations, oh. This is the Ohiradai Station, oh. Kung makikita mo, oh. It's the jungle. Asa man ta mo anto, anak? Actually, this is me and Daddy always in our Itsumo Ryoko Tokyo. Here in Hakone. Yay! But I'm so excited of the hotel we stay and the foods are fine. Oh, nani? Sakit to Naji? Let's go. Wala di, lagi ni diri kuway lagi ko di. Mayroong highway dun sa itaas, everyone. So, baka nandun yung mga yung mga shopping store, no? At yung station nila nandyan sa baba, no? No? Look at the flowers! Hi, Daddy! Actually, mas madali pa mag-train, everyone. No hassle, no kapoy. Kasi nag-upo ka lang. Ay, ang ganda pala dito. Oh, ang ganda pala dito. Ang ganda ng view dito. Look at this.
Very nice.
Naghatlok na ng bibing na di, eh. Sorry, Daddy, nakasunod dito, Daddy. Muskaw na yun, eh.
Ulit, lang rin.
O bakit in hotel ka na, Daddy?